Most people get payday or short-term loans wrong by assuming they are all scams or traps, but Sun Loan takes a slightly different approach. Today, I'm sharing my honest experience using Sun Loan and what you should know before applying. Sun Loan is a short-term lending service that offers personal loans, installment loans, and pawn services in some locations. The process is fast and simple. I applied online, submitted basic personal and income information, and received approval within minutes. The surprising truth is that if you meet the requirements, funding can be nearly instant, which is helpful for urgent situations. Interest rates are a key consideration. Sun Loan tends to have higher rates than traditional banks, especially for payday loans, but lower than some other short-term lenders. For example, a $500 loan might have an APR ranging from 200% to 400%, depending on terms and location. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how quickly interest accumulates, so it's crucial to plan repayment carefully. Customer service and transparency were positive in my experience. They clearly outlined fees, repayment schedules, and options for extensions. Online account management makes it easy to track your balance and due dates. However, short-term loans are not ideal for long-term financial needs. They are best for emergencies or temporary cash flow issues, not for ongoing expenses. Missing payments can result in additional fees and negative effects on credit, so responsible use is essential. In conclusion, Sun Loan can be a helpful resource if used wisely. It's fast, accessible, and transparent, but high interest rates make it suitable only for urgent or short-term needs. Always read terms carefully and borrow only what you can repay. Subscribe for more honest financial product reviews to make sure you're making informed choices and avoiding costly mistakes.